Good morning, fellow passengers on the CTS Elysium. It's mid-March 2070 here on the ship, and we thank you so much for your cooperation during this challenging time. We know that because of the influenza outbreak, the captain has asked you all to stay in your ship cabins, just as we're doing now, and it's so great to have everyone's cooperation. It's so important to contain the outbreak. And in the meantime, as we were getting ready this morning, we were talking and we thought about a quote from long ago from the philosopher Plato, who said, "Be kind, for everyone you meet is fighting a great battle." And we thought this quote is more relevant than ever as we learn to live together here on the ship. As we search for a new home, we seek a new planet that's going to be hospitable and be able to serve as our home. And in the meantime, we have to share food, share resources, learn to live within 10 feet of one another in these tiny cabins. So, the absolute best possible approach is to be kind and assume that everyone you encounter in the halls or in your room is dealing with more than you see on the surface. And if we start with kindness and compassion, it's the best possible way forward to do anything together, to build anything, and to have fun together.
That's right. That's beautiful, A. Thank you. So we're going to play a song that's about recognizing what's going on underneath the surface and approaching it with kindness. And while we're here playing, maybe think of someone in your life who's carrying a lot right now, and a way that you could be kind to them. Desdemona, I am troubled by that look in your eyes. Is there a woman inside? Have you found someone who needs you? Desdemona, there are feelings that we cannot describe, and the words that do not define what we're dying to say. Will you find a way to finally face what broke your heart wide open in the first place? That familiar way that pulls you down. You must be tired of dragging all that pain around. Desdemona, always searching for the sunnier side. Oh, and will you see the light that is shining underneath you? Desdemona, do you remember when we stayed up all night and took off every disguise when you trusted me? We can find a way to help you face what broke your heart wide open in the first place. You can lie to me or lay down. You must be tired of dragging all that pain around. Woo-hoo, woo-hoo. Finally face what broke your heart. first place. You can cry to me, scream and shout. It must be so tired of it, so tired of hiding inside of the pain. My darling Desdemona, are you okay? I can feel the ache upon your life. You must be tired of living in it, tired of living in it, tired of living in it, tired